Today I'm going to teach you how to use the models, or let's say the dot engine, for Solana AI. So on my last video I made a tutorial on how to convert PyTorch into dot engine, which is we have here, it should be right here, see the Fortnite engine. So let's start the Solana AI. I'm gonna teach you how to use it. Let's wait this. There you go, it's opening. So here on our UI, just go to models and browse, and then go to the models, the one that you converted, and I have the Fortnite engine here. Just select that and apply. That's all. No more other things. All you need to do is select it and then you're good. You can now use it. Just configure it, the best settings for you. We all have different let's say we have different resolution or monitor. That's why you have to configure it yourself, but we have our configure on our Discord server. So yeah, that's all.